Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Candy brand dryer and you're getting an E10 error and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to get rid of it. So first of all, the E10 error is that the machine is sensing that it's empty when it's not supposed to be empty. So it'll pop up this error. So the only thing you can do to get rid of it, or what I would recommend to do to get rid of it, if it's not empty, you have stuff in there, just take things out, turn it off, turn it back on, put the stuff back in, and then try to run it again and see if that doesn't get rid of your error. The next step in the process, if that doesn't get rid of it, would be to do a hard restart on the machine. So that would be to turn it off and then disconnect it from power completely for a full minute while it's empty. So either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit if it's hardwired. Leave it off for a full minute. After that full minute's up, you can turn it back on, plug it back in, turn it back on, and then see if, put the clothes back in, try to do a cycle again, see if that doesn't fix it. Hopefully something like that will get rid of this error. But anyways, I hope this helps you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.